सुहाने हैं ये मासूम से पल, एक नए जहां में कदम रखने चले हैं हम। न गिराना यूं एक दूजे को तुम, न हो जाना कहीं अंधेरों में गुम। तुम शीतल हो, निर्मल हो, तुम बहती धारा कोमल हो। तुम हो वो खिलखिलाती सौम्य सी बूंद, जो छलक रही है जैसे कमल पर, उस पे कीचड़ न पड़ने दो। पंछी हैं ये, इन्हें उड़ने दो। सुहाने हैं ये मासूम से पल, एक नए जहां में कदम रखने चले हैं हम।
You see, a university is a place where young people go to learn, to study, to work with their peers, have the world view and grow up. So we must create an environment which is very positive, which is very good, of high quality, where their aspirations rise. And they must believe the high quality in the university is a part of normal life. So we wanted to create a university which is on par or better than global universities in terms of infrastructure, give them all the facilities like broadband and hostel rooms and in-house gyms, food courts and the like. So they have a lot of choices. So they focus on the studies and you can sleep easily at night.
Primarily, we are using 400 plus Cisco cameras to secure our 122-acre campus, and the entire network is maintained centrally and controlled centrally.
You choose Cisco as a technology partner primarily because Cisco is a kind of aspirational company that we want to associate with.
Manipal University, Jaipur is cognizant and accountable for personal safety of students, resident teachers, and the entire staff. The principal building, consisting of 2 administrative blocks, integrates the prime campus localities. Adjacent to the main hub stand 2 academic divisions providing elite education to young, nurturing minds. Amidst, the fitness center and an expound food court provides to over 5,000 personnel, including staff and students. In total, the campus holds 8 hostels, 4 male dormitories and 4 female dormitories. MUJ is architecturally profound in that, like a citadel, it's safe and secure with cameras strategically placed in each pertinent position. As vast number of students and their parents place their faith in our hands, the student body's safekeeping is our highest precedence, for which we take a note of physical security of both the academy and its dormitories, keeping a homely and safe atmosphere. Cisco PSS, the heart and soul of the smart security at NUJ, ensures students a 100% risk-free environment. Cisco IP-based surveillance solutions with remote monitoring capability is helpful in keeping track of an overall bird's eye view. With the most advanced software monitoring 24/7 of our smart campus within the command center, allows Cisco PSS to use innovation at its best.
I'm here to thank Cisco for the wonderful job they had done in our campus. Now that Cisco has come up with a wonderful system of CCTV cameras with wonderful surveillance tools, we feel more safe, even more secure, and I am sure that students will feel far more better and secure with the system.
One of the safest campus in India, and that's why I feel very safe here most of the time.
सुहाने हैं ये मासूम से, न गिराना यूं एक दूजे को तुम, न हो जाना कहीं अंधेरों में गुम। पंछी हैं, इन्हें उड़ने दो, एक नए जहां में कदम रखने दो।